Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, low miles. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, blind spot monitor, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2017 RAV4. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, all-wheel drive, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.